Hari Om, welcome back to Shevadhi channel. Today's video is going to be on warm-up flow or warm-up vinyasa. This you can do while sitting down either on your mat or on the chair. So you can make it as part of your morning routine, or if you don't have time, you can also do it before having lunch, okay, or in the evening before you actually get started with any of the evening activities. This particular vinyasa is going to focus on the upper back, lower back, arms, shoulders, neck movement, and also your arms movement. Okay. So with that said, let's get started. And before we start any yoga practice session, we are going to do the prayer. So let's start with the prayer. Sahana Bhavatu. Okay. So hands in prayer position. Close your eyes. All together. Let's start with one round of Omkara followed by Sahana Bhavatu. Inhale. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Transfer the heat to your eyes and your cheeks. With a smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. Now let's get started. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Siddhasana. And then we are going to do the stretches and bends. Okay. I will give you the inhalation, exhalation directions along with the postures that we are going to do. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Raise your arms. Exhale. Bend to the side. Please be seated. Don't let your buttock come off the floor. Feel the stretch on your side. Hold this posture. Keep your breathing in and out. Feel the stretch on your sides. Inhale, come up. Let your arms be very straight up. And exhale. Bend to the left. Feel the stretch on the sides. Feel the stretch. Hold it. As you can see, it's the lateral twist. So you're not going to do like this. Don't do it this way or that way. This has to be lateral twist. Don't let your buttocks come off the ground. If you can't touch the floor completely, even if you can do this much, that's fine. Even your arms and your biceps and triceps are getting stretched. Hold the posture. Keep your breath normal. Inhale and exhale normally. Come up. Inhale and come up. Let's do this for 2 more rounds. Exhale, right. Inhale, come up. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Drop your arms. Keep your palms on your knees. So this gives you a wonderful stretch on your sides, and also your arms get stretched, and even the shoulders get strengthened. So to feel the stretch and also to feel the complete effect of this series that we just did, make sure you hold the stretch at least for 10 seconds to begin with, and then increase it to 20 seconds and 30 seconds. Okay, if you are doing it only for 10 seconds in the beginning, do this for 6 rounds at least. Okay, now after the side bending, we are going to do the twisting. Okay, so sit in the starting position of the sthiti, any comfortable sitting posture. Take a few breaths in and out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. While exhaling, you do the twisting. If you want to see how it is going to work, when you are doing the right twist, take your right arm completely sideways and use that as your anchor. And take your left hand, push it against your bent knee and bend to the side. So your torso should be completely bent and facing your right. Feel the twist. As you exhale, you can turn and do the twisting. Make the twisting go deeper. Hold this posture at least for a count of 10. You can do the counting in your mind. Inhale and come to the center. Now exhale and do the twisting to the left. As I said, I'll show you this way so that you get the picture of it. We are sitting like that. So we are turning to the left. So do this twisting and use this as your anchor. And take the right hand, push it against your bent knee. So you are facing completely to the left. Hold this posture. Feel the twist in your waist region. And take a few normal breaths while you are in this pose. Hold it at least for a count of 10. Now you release and come back to center. So assuming that you got the hang of it, let's go for 2 more rounds of this twisting, side twisting. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Hold it. Inhale, center. Make sure you are sitting with your spine erect. No slouching, no bending. Okay. In order to get the complete benefit of these stretches, you have to make sure your spine is erect. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Hold the posture. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Twist to the left. Hold it. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Make sure your torso is completely twisted and you can look at your back. Hold it. Inhale, center. That's good. Now take a few breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's do the forward and backward bends. Okay, so you got the direction, right? We did the side bends, then we did the twisting. Now we are going to do the forward bend and the backward bend. Now sit in the posture, make sure your spine is erect. Now take your arms back and exhale and inhale, and then you bend. Throw your head back and open your chest and bend. Hold the posture. Inhale and come up, and exhale and go down. When I will show you in the next round how to bend, and see if you can touch your forehead to the ground if possible. Otherwise, even if you come up to here, that's fine. Go to the extent you feel comfortable. Hold it. Inhale and come up. Come back to Sthiti. Just to see how the bends are done, I am going to sit sideways so you can observe how you can bend. If you sit in Sukhasana, then like if you just sit like this, the bend may not be that deep, but if you sit in Siddhasana or Bhadrasana, then it might be easier for you. Okay, but it's fine. As long as you do the bending properly, don't worry about what extent you can bend up to. As you keep doing it every day, you will get better at it. The practice is the key. So sit in a comfortable meditative posture. Make sure your spine is erect. So as I said, we are going to do the backward bend and the forward bend, right? Inhale when you're sitting. Exhale and take your arms back and and bend. So as you can see, your chest is getting expanded. Hold this posture at least for 10 counts. Breathe in and out normally. Inhale and come up. Now you have to do the forward bend. When you are bending, don't do this. So what happens, just like the Surya Namaskara video I had done, I had told you to actually bend from your lower back. Just like that, here also first you lengthen your spine. Stretch your spine. So lengthen your spine. Okay. So that gives you the height or the length. And then when you are bending, bend from the lower back. Got it? And when you are bending, do exhale and bend. Forward bend. Sit straight. Lengthen your spine. Exhale and go down. You can use your arms like this if it helps you. When you are there, as you exhale, you can deepen your bend. Hold the posture at least for the count of 10. Inhale and come up. Basically, we did 3 types of upper body and arms and shoulders exercises. While we are at it, let's include one more called Upavishta Marjari Vitalyasana. Basically, it's the variation of cat and cow. Cat and cow, we actually go on our fours and we start with the tabletop position. We do the Marjari. Here, we will do it in the sitting posture. Upavishta means sitting. Turn sideways so that you will see the arch and how we have to bend and all those things. Like any seated asana you do, you have to sit in any comfortable meditative posture with your spine erect. Okay. So I'm going to turn sideways. Turn your tailbone and stretch your spine so that you lengthen your spine. Okay. Now take a couple of normal breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now, as you inhale, arch your back, throw your head up, fix your gaze up. And hold this posture for a count of 10. Now, as you exhale, you arch your back, round your shoulders so that you create space between your shoulders. Suck your navel in so it's going to touch your spine. And try to touch your heart with your neck. Keep it for at least a count of 10. Inhale, touch your spine, look up. Exhale, round your back. Suck your stomach in. Create space between your shoulders. Inhale, arch up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale and come up, back to Sthiti. This, as you have noticed, it is going to work not only on your spine but also on the abdominal core muscles. So, in order to get the complete benefit, do it at least for 3 to 6 rounds every day and hold the posture at least for a count of 10 to begin with. Later, as you get comfortable, you can increase the holding for 10 counts and 20 counts and 30 counts. So you will get the complete benefit. With these 4 set of poses, you can get your upper body, arms and even the core warmed up and ready to go for the next round of exercises. Even if you cannot do anything else, please make sure you do at least these 4 sets of exercises, because we spend a lot of time, especially people nowadays working from home. Most of us are sitting in front of the system, or yes, we have other things to take care of, but especially people working in the computer, we don't get any exercise. So if you do at least incorporate these things at least for a few minutes, wherever you get, you can squeeze in 5 minutes here and there. So it actually adds up at the end of the day, and so this is a good step towards leading a healthy life. Hope you found these exercises helpful, and keep watching. Let's conclude this session with Shanti Mantra. Hands in prayer position, eyes closed. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaha, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Rub your palms. Transfer the heat to the eyes and your cheeks with a smile on your face. Open your eyes. Thank you and keep smiling.